So,
So,
are
are
you
you
trying
trying
anything? Are
anything?
you
Means,
just
are you guys?
working on the
Yeah, we have
tasks
created
and
some
everything?
posters and we like in posting the group also.
Sorry,
I have created like three posters on like campaigning, like political.
okay, can you show me?
Yeah, yeah, I will share this.
Yeah.
Are you able to screen? Hello, Vijay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I'm able to see it. Okay. So here, fine, but the name of the person, the font needs to work on. It is not
Yeah,
looking
like
good.
yeah, I'm trying the different fonts, but I said no. Like for the basic, there is only limited access.
Limited
While
access means.
yeah, like we need to, for example, yeah, if we select some font, right? If you want to elaborate in horizontally,
Okay.
I'm unable to do that.
Mm, what does it mean? Can you repeat?
Like the name is Sudhakar. If we want to elaborate, like once I will show you one sample.
Okay.
Mm, one second. Now this is the name, right?
Right.
Hello, Vijay.
Yes.
Yeah, like I can elaborate in this way, but if I want to like I need to horizontally, not vertical, like so like horizontal vertically. If I want to look the name in like vertically, I need to expand. How is it possible? Like I can expand in this way, like so that whole we will get expanded, but we can add in this way. We are not getting the option here. Like if we want to expand here.
See, vertically, sorry. Generally, fonts will, you know, for images and all that is different, but for fonts, it will increase equal proportion. So when you are
Okay.
trying to increase, it is both increasing horizontally as well as vertically also. Okay, but
Okay.
if you want only vertical, suppose if you want on your way, maybe then just take it like a single letter. Uh,
Okay.
okay,
The- Yeah. Then.
but why you want to take means what does it different? See,
No, no, no.
uh,
Like in some font I have seen in that way. So is that possible? I'm asking. Is there any
uh,
possibility?
yeah. See, it depends on the fonts also.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. Fonts.
yeah. So but here, whatever I am saying is, it's not about the size of the font. Okay, the
Okay.
style of the font is not looking good. Okay, when you
Okay.
go to the poster.
Yeah, they said that we need to use only Poppins and some two fonts they mentioned.
Okay, your project coordinator.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah. 1 second, I will.
fine. But see the colors which you used also. You
Okay.
have used different blue color. The name
Yes.
has a different blue color. Public has a different blue color.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and there is no blue color in logo only. And another thing is alignments are still need to work on. Suppose let's ones are all the lines alignment is proper, but public and meeting alignment is not 100%. Similarly, meeting and below to discuss that paragraph alignment is not proper.
Okay.
Okay, you need to be 100% sure about the alignment. If you just put a line, okay, so all of them should start from a same line. Okay, right now it is not. And see, part of the change at the bottom, come participate and be a part of the change. So there is
Yeah,
a,
after there is missing one space, right? It
yeah,
accidentally miss.
space is missing, and background is
Yeah, before I have mentioned another backgrounds. Like after all typing, if you want to change the background, the content is missing. Like before I posted on some other background, then after I want to change the background, but the content is
so you need
not
to group all the content. Okay, whatever there is a grouping option of to
okay.
select all the text. Okay, all the
Okay.
text you need to select and then group. So once you group, you can move all the text at one time. Okay, instead of
Okay.
moving each sentence, if you try to do one thing, another thing will change. Rather
Yeah.
than that, if you just select all the texts and group them, then you can move wherever you want, and then you can change the background. Yes,
Okay.
see, it is better compared to that, but still needs to work on a lot. Alignments are not proper, and spacings are means
Uneven.
yeah, fully means this poster looks fully confusing. There is
Yeah,
no
like the
clear,
good pictures were not there, so it
yeah,
is
or
just like
whatever we design, it should be in an organized way. Okay,
okay.
clarity needs to be there when creating a poster instead of confusion.
No, not this. Other poster icons. I will check. Yeah, this one.
This you have taken the reference and worked on it, right?
Yes, yes.
But put aside both of them. Just put the reference beside this and compare. You will only understand the difference.
Yeah, like there is like for editing these pictures, I didn't know while designing this. The background eraser I didn't use. Then after I used this, but I my doubt is if I created this poster, I want to do some changes. How is it possible to like if I import this? It is importing as a picture. Can I
Right.
know how is it possible? Like if I want to edit something like small changes, how can I do that?
See, you can. There is, I think, in the Canva Premium, there is an option to upload and edit the individual elements.
Okay, fine.
Okay, but under free, just upload. Did you try uploading and see whichever the things which are editable? Okay, if the
Yeah.
element, if Canva is able to identify the elements, differently, those things only you can able to edit. Okay, suppose many times what happens is the design is so means uh,
Okay.
you can say it is not divisible. Okay, if suppose if one element, if Canva able to differentiate between one element and another element, obviously it will give you an option to edit those elements. But if it is not able to differentiate, if Canva thinks that is all same, one image only, then obviously you don't get an opportunity to edit.
Okay.
Understand? So it depends on the email, whatever the poster which you are uploading. If it
Yeah.
is made on the Canva, obviously you can edit all the elements which you are doing. But if you want to take some outside poster and want to edit, then it needs to identify. If it is not giving option, means obviously there is no other alternative.
Okay.
But in the case of Photoshop, it works different. Means in the case of Photoshop, also it is same, but Photoshop, there is you can cut copy paste of a particular element. That can be possible.
Okay.
Okay, but there also they will ask for the source file generally, but maybe I don't know these days. And now it is easy compared to earlier because of these AI tools. If you need a particular thing, or compared to earlier, it is now very much easy. So you just need to look into. If not Canva, there can be multiple tools which you can check out, or to get a particular element, or to what I can say, yeah, particular color, whatever.
Okay.
Understand? Yeah. Any other questions?
No, thank you.
So nobody joined. I don't know
He
why.
Akhil is waiting. He is asking once with the WhatsApp.
Okay, Akhil joined.
No, yeah, lie. He's waiting to join. He's pinged in the WhatsApp.
Okay, just a second. I think link I have created from another. Yeah, hi Atil. Atil, do you have any questions or doubts
Uh, no, no, sir.
on any of the previous classes or any tasks?
Task reliability, no doubts. No, no.
Okay, fine. So then we will. In the last session, did you guys remember what we discussed?
The keyword
Keyword research, right?
option. Yeah.
So did you guys got a chance to work on it?
So like I didn't. I worked on like aspersion and
Okay, fine, no problem. Just whenever you got a free time.
yeah, I will do it today and I will
Okay,
ask tomorrow if any doubts or any clarifications.
fine.
And also focusing only players and videos mainly.
Oh, the management.
Because that's a part of important part of in election campaign. So
Yeah, I know
uh,
that. Yeah, I understand. Obviously, that is the main thing. Even they will also look for. So, yeah, even I also suggested to focus on that only because see, design and the thinking of design thinking is very important. Creative side is one of the important aspect in digital marketing. So as you are working from the basic, obviously you need to put a good amount of time and efforts to become master in it. Okay, at least you should be, if not 100%, at least you should be good at it. Then only in the future later it will be easy. Okay, you no need to depend on some other person to design or anything. Okay, because now AI tools and all came, it's slightly becoming easy, but still you should be have a 100% control. Okay, generally obviously whenever you work on any companies and all, you will have the designers or video editors and all. Okay, but as a marketer we should know or we should understand how to design. Okay, at least all the basics should be right. If that then you have 100% confidence. Suppose tomorrow when you are working on a particular thing and if you don't have another person, let's say designer, or so you should have the capability to do it right there. It may not be 100% perfect, but at least it should solve the problem. Am I clear? So that's the reason
Yeah, Vijay.
try to practice that part almost daily. The remaining things you can just work it out whenever you got a time, and obviously it's all remaining whatever that we are discussing. It's more of a data driven. If you understand if numbers or data or from a business point of view, so all of these things will come. Let me go to the Google Ads. Hello. Okay, am I audible now?
Yeah, Vijay.
Okay, so So we have discussed the how to do the keyword research and how to shortlist the keywords. So we have discussed about the conditions. What are the conditions which you need to follow while shortlisting the you can call as the conditions, you can call them as a, what I can say, anything. But let me, okay, once you have the your keywords ready. Okay, once you shortlisted your keywords, let's say, just to give you the example, suppose, let's say, imagine you have a some hospital. Okay, out of that hospital you have a different treatments, let's say dental treatment or skin treatment or uh, many other different treatments which are available. So if you want to go for a let's say you want to run the ads for a skin treatment. Okay, obviously you can run the ads for each treatment, but suppose right now you want to run the ads for a skin treatment. So inside the skin treatment also you have a different what can I say, let me go and show you the skin. So I searched skin treatment in Hyderabad and I got multiple ads. Okay, now this is a ad. Okay, this we call as a landing page. Landing page means the page where we will when we click on an ad where we are landing, we call that as a landing page. So right now this is the page we are landing after clicking on the page, or sorry, ad. Now let us see some another ad. So this is another company, and you can see the this is another landing page. Now this is related to skin treatment, but when I come to, those are the landing pages. Okay, now let me open any website. Okay, there is a difference between website and landing page. Landing page means it is related to a particular treatment or a particular one which you are running the ad. Suppose inside let me go to the any website, then I'll show you. Suppose there is a something called Madhavi Skin Clinic. So now you can see inside skin they have a multiple treatments. So what we discussed in the hospital, skin is treatment. There is acne treatment, there is infection, there is a director of surgery, again in surgery, each different service. So all these are all stint treatments only. But there are tens of hundreds of stint treatments. Even suppose, let's say if somebody need uh, carbon peel laser tronin, or somebody need anti-age, inside the anti-aging agency there is lifting. Okay. So now let's say we want to run the ads for anti-aging. Okay, aesthetics, anti-aging, maybe so there are people, some people they look for a botox treatment, there are some people who only look for a fillers treatment. So why I am explaining all of these things is, the more specific you go, okay, the more specific you go, the better your ads will work. Okay, suppose when I ask you to run a Google ads, okay, do a Google ads, I have a budget of, let's say, 50,000 rupees for a month. So now I want you to do the Google ads. Now if you don't know anything about Google ads, what you will do is, you will just identify some keywords related to skin treatment, okay, and then try to run the ads on them directly. But if you know, or if you understand how ads work and everything, then you will go as detailed as possible, as specific. Suppose you will do the keyword research for acne treatment, you will do the keyword research related to psoriasis. So each page or each specific treatment, you will do the keyword research, and each related keywords you will have a ad group. Okay, so what is ad group? In the meta ads we have discussed ad set. We do the targeting, we do the budget, or we select the platform or location. All of these things we will do in the meta ads, whereas in Google ads, uh, so in the Google ads also the structure is more or less similar. One is campaign, inside campaign there is a ad group, inside ad group there is a ads. Okay, not inside ad group, ads, actually ads is a different stage, ad group is a different stage. Inside ad groups we have the keywords. Okay, we can add keywords inside the ad group. Whatever the keywords which we finalize, or whatever the keywords which we shortlist, we will add them in the ad group. So in one account you can create a multiple campaign, let's say hundreds of campaigns you can create. Each campaign you can create multiple ad groups. Okay, let's say now I suppose if I want to run the ads for my skin clinic, then I can create some 10-20 different ad groups. Okay, each ad group should be as specific as possible. Okay, and you can have some 8 to 10 keywords. Okay, suppose in each ad group you can add up to some 10 to 15 keywords also you can add, but generally optimum is you can consider like a 10 keywords in each ad group, and those keywords should be as specific as possible. So why I am saying every time specific? Okay, so for that you need to understand how ads work. Okay, in
to
fact,
get more reach.
sorry, to get more reach.
Yeah, like if we use specific keywords, we can get the big reach.
No, in fact that is wrong. Why? Because if I go specific, then my volume is less. Okay, suppose, let's say
Okay.
if you put a keyword called skin treatment, the keyword skin treatment volume may be some uh, 1 lakh, Okay, means 1 lakh
Yes.
searches are happening for a stint treatment. Whereas if you put a keyword called, let's say, acne treatment in YZ, so it may be having only 100 searches. Okay, stint treatment in YZ, if you search, it may have some 10,000 searches. Whereas if you go to the acne treatment in YZ or Hyderabad, you may get only 100 or 1,000 searches. So if you think from a reach point of view, that is so less. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, got the point.
Yes. So what you need to understand is how Google Ads work. For this,
Okay, like my doubt is, for example, hello Vijay,
yes, tell me.
like if we use the specific keywords, like a lot of people don't know the specific, right?
Yes, right.
Then, like, how can we get the leads, or else
Yeah, I will
how
come to.
can we get the,
I will come to that.
yeah,
Okay, just a second.
okay, okay.
Now I will take one example. Suppose, let me take this example. You need to understand this concept well, okay, so that you can work best in Google Ads. Okay, so first of all, how the Google Ads work uh, is from the ad rank. Okay, each ad there is a rank. Suppose previously I just searched a skin treatment in Hyderabad. So when I search skin clinic in Hyderabad, let's assume, okay, the advertiser means you can consider these are a different town. Okay, let's say right now we are talking about a skin clinic example. Consider these are different skin clinics. Okay, and in a same location, maybe let's assume there is a Jubilee Hills. In Jubilee Hills there are 5 different skin clinics are there. Okay, now each skin clinic, if you see, these are the ad rank. Now what is the ad rank? Suppose ad rank, when you get a higher rank means you will get a more point, means a higher number, higher points means you will get a means whichever get a higher rank, it will come at first position. So out of this you can see advertiser E has a 480 points, 480 ad rank. So it will show at the first position. If you have a lower ad rank, let's say advertiser C has 340 ad rank, means it will show in the lower position. So which is better? Is the first position is better or the lower position is better? Is my question understood?
Lower is better. Yeah.
Lower is better.
No, 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 no. Like once explain if. Sorry, Vijay, can you repeat again?
I'm saying you have a 5 steam clinics in Jubilee Hills and we are means all the 5 clinics are running the ads. Okay, now
Okay.
each
Yeah.
advertiser has a Google Ads. Generally how Google Ads work is, if your ad rank is higher, so you will come in the
Okay.
first position. If your ad rank is
Oh,
lower, so you will come in the last position. Okay, like that you can think. So
okay.
as a business, which is better, coming in the first position or coming in the last position?
Obviously, in the first position.
Right, because we are spending the money and we want to come in the first position, because when somebody searches then we will be in the first and they will contact us. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
So now how the you need to understand how can I get a more ad rank. Okay, that depends
Yeah.
on mainly two factors. One is a bid. Bid means how much money you are spending for a particular keyword into quality score. quality score means how much quality you have in you're creating an ad. Okay, how much quality you're creating your campaign or ad. So that is represents the quality score. Suppose if you if you create a higher quality ads, so your score will be higher. So this is out of 10 generally. So if you get a, let's say, a score of 4, you will have a lower quality score. If you have a 9, okay, out of 10, so you have a higher quality score. So if you create with more quality, your quality score will be high. If you create with lesser quality ads, then your quality score will be less. Understand? So now I'll come to the quality score. Okay, quality score I will come again. I will discuss in detail. But another factor is ad rank is also depends on the bid. Suppose if you are spending more, suppose see advertiser C spending 85 rupees or $85, okay, per one click, then obviously their ad rank will be higher. Generally we think. So it's a multiplication. Ad rank is a multiplication of your bid and quality score. But one thing which you understand, suppose let's imagine you are an Ambani, okay, you have a lot of money with you, and you want to, you want to always come in the first. So what happens, you, even though you have a money, suppose let's say advertiser C has a lot of money, so he is almost spending $85 per click, and it is out of, it is much more higher than out of every all other advertisers. But still if you see their ad rank is lowest, even though he is spending $85, but still he is spending, so suppose it's still his rank is lower. Why? Can you tell me the reason?
Based upon the quality, it is.
Yes, based on the quality. Exactly.
Yeah.
So if your quality is lower, then even though you are spending highest amount out of all, so that means you can't be sure. Okay, suppose let's say if you are